Nataka ndio deal ingiane.
Yes.
We have had a very useful consultation as Wiper Democratic Movement this evening, culminating in our decision to exit NASA and welcome a new formidable coalition, which coalition, in my view, will be spearheaded by the One Kenya Alliance. In making this decision, we have no hard feelings, and we are cognizant of the current political environment. We are sure of the direction we want to take, and we are determined to take that decision, that direction. Therefore, although One Kenya Alliance comprises mainly of Wiper Democratic Movement, Ford Kenya, Amani National Congress, and KANU, we are open to receive and work with other like-minded political formations.